Hey peeps, it's Julian here from Tutoring, and as always, it's such a pleasure to join you. Today we are on question 2.1 from the 2018 Maths Lit Grade 11. It's the paper 2. This question is a financial maths question which deals with calculating the different rates for a typist compared to the amount paid for an editor. Okay, so it says a printing company has employed people for typing and editing material to be used in workshops. They are paying the editors 97 Rand to edit one document. And for typists, they use the following formula. So the amount paid to a typist is normal time divided by 60 multiplied by the rate at which they get paid, multiplied by the number of documents typed. And then they say that normal time is in minutes spent on typing, and this is 28 minutes per document, and the rate is 195 Rand per document. So the employer is claiming that he is paying an editor 5% more than the typist for every 100 documents edited. Verify with calculations whether the statement is valid or not. So first up, let's calculate what the total price is for an editor. So for editor, they've told us that it is 97 Rand per document, and there are a total of 100 documents that need to be edited. So they've told us there that there's 100. So their cost equals 97 Rand multiplied by 100 documents, which comes to, in your calculators, 9,700. Okay, and then we need to calculate what the amount is for the typist. So for typist, it's going to be the cost equals the norm time, and they've given us this formula. So your norm time, which is 28 divided by 60 multiplied by the rate. So I'm just going to rewrite the formula, multiplied by the docs, so how many docs there are. So this will equal, so they've said that it's 28 minutes per document, so it'll be 28 divided by 60 multiplied by their rate, which they said is 195. So 195 multiplied by 100, because there are 100 documents. You put all of this into your calculator, and so 28 divided by 60 multiplied by 195 multiplied by 100 comes to a grand total of 9,100. Now you can see that this number is in fact less than this number, but they're claiming that this number here is 5% more than this number here. So we need to find out if that is correct, because they asked us here that they say that the employer is claiming that he is paying 5% more than the typist for an editor. So we then need to find out what this percentage difference is. So percentage difference So to find this out, we need to take the amount that it sort of increased, so the higher amount, and we divide it by the original amount, and that's going to give us our percentage increased. So because this is higher than that, we expect it to be more than 100%. And then to find out how much it increased by, we then subtract 100%. So that's going to be this 9,700 Rand divided by the 9,100. So then you still need to multiply by 100 to get it into a percentage. But then, so you'll see this will break it up. So this gives us our percentage increase. So put this in your calculator, and I get it is 106.59%. But now we just need to subtract so remember that this part here is 100%, and this part here is 100% plus the increased, or plus the percentage more than the cost for a typist. So we have to subtract 100%. So this comes to 6.59%, which is a bit more than the 5% that is claimed. So that therefore your ending statement is therefore not a valid statement. Okay, it is more than 5% difference. Okay, and that concludes 2.1. Before I go, I just want to give a special thanks to our epic sponsors for making this video possible. Read more about them in the description below. Be sure to visit our website for more of these epic tutorials. Remember, if you can't find the answer to your question, you can always send us your question and we'll respond with a personalized video just for you. And until next time, stay epic.